The Office of Academic Integrity has created a new incident reporting form for faculty to use. There are some slight changes that will help us with reporting and make it a little more seamless for faculty to submit information. Anything with a red asterisk is required, so please note that. When filling out the form, you'll enter your full name, your relation to the student, in this case the referring party, and their email address. You're going to select the academic integrity report type. The date, as you can see, is required. That's just the date you're reporting it. In the past, you would have to scroll down to select like your college and department. We have moved that now to location, building, and specific location. So you would go here and pick the college that your course is located in. And then from here, the building is actually not the physical building that you're located in, but the department that you are teaching in. And then under specific location, select none if there is none. For some of these, depending on your college, there may be a specific location that you need to pick. That's typically in departments coming out of College of Education and Engineering and Computing and others like it. But in the meanwhile, you would just select none. As you scroll down, please ignore this section. This section is for students, not for faculty or referring parties. Here is where the information for referring parties begins. Please, please, please ensure that you have a course syllabus and all the relevant materials. If you're having trouble because your uploads are too big, in the past, it's been easier for individuals to upload items to Share Drive and then send us the link. Please make sure you indicate if you're filing from the Mason Korea campus. Mason Korea has a separate incident report, and then select the semester that the course took place in and your course number. Please make sure you put the prefix before the actual course number. Just putting in a course number like this does not help us. It actually causes more confusion. Then you would indicate if it's an online course, if it revolves online means of cheating, such as group chats, check, and Course Hero. Please note that anything involving AI-generated content is separate and aside from online means of cheating. If you use one of the lockdown browsers, please indicate that. If you are trying to send us a video, that will probably need to come over via OneDrive, as we have found that our current software package does not allow us to upload video just yet. And then indicate sanction recommendations. Please note that these are recommendations. The recommendations that are grade related, should the student be found responsible, will be assigned. Suspension or permanent dismissal is up to the institution. So please note that just because you recommend suspension or permanent dismissal does not mean that this will be an outcome or even a recommended sanction, depending on the type of offense and the number of offenses that the student has faced in our office. And then from here, you can enter the narrative. Please make sure you're very detailed with the narrative. If you're too vague, it will cause confusion not only for the student, but also for the committee. And then down here is where you would add the students. You can enter them by their G number or by their name. You would indicate that they are the referred student. If there's a TA or a GTA or an adjunct or a course coordinator that you need to add that needs to be copied on material, this is also the place to put those individuals. And then here at the bottom is where you would upload your files. As you can see, we accept files in these formats. If you have an assignment that is coding related, this is for our computer science and IT instructors, please create a PDF version of your .py file, as our office can't open it, our committee can't open it, and even though it can be converted to text, it's easier if you just send it over as a PDF. If you have any questions, feel free to email our office at oai@gmu.edu.